Hi everybody, welcome to December edition of Working Wisely. Today with Santa Nicolaus and Lukas. Lukas is our engineering manager and he is here with me today. Thank you for joining us, Lukas, to tell us a little bit more about what's going on in the world of Workstreams.ai. Hi Lukas.
Hey Roman, nice to be here and hello to everyone else. Yeah, we are pretty excited. The 2022 is coming to an end and we are finally launching and rolling out things that we worked on for like roughly 8 months, something like this. And we would like to show it a little bit more in a condensed format today before we are then talking a little bit about next year. What is your feeling on the changes, Roman?
My feeling is the Christmas is behind the corner and this is my favorite time of the year. So the fact that we are releasing these changes to existing user base is even more exciting. There are some very, very important things which people were waiting for quite a while. So I would say let's jump into it and let's see how people can use it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Great. See you in a bit.
I'm currently here in a team where we would like to develop a new feature, and for that we would like to invite Roman as a freelancer to our team without having the need to invite him to Slack. You can see at the moment Bruno, our video producer, and myself are in this team, but instead of inviting him to the team directly, I would only invite him to that one project. So will jump to the workflow library and use our feature development workflow to create a new board where we will work on doing this. Let's maybe call it feature permissions. And we are setting this board up. Okay, now that we are here on the task board, we can invite Roman as a freelancer to work with us on this feature. For this, I'm jumping into the taskboard members overview and I click invite external. Here I'm using Roman, typing in his email address so that he gets notified by the invite, and I want to be signing him up as an owner of this board so that he has full control of it. I will now send this out. He will pop up here. Currently, because he didn't accept it yet, the invite, he's a little bit grayed out on this view, but I already can assign him to a new task. So let's say create wireframe, and I'm choosing him here as an assignee, creating this view, this task, and he will be notified as soon as he comes online. That said, now let's have a look how this whole thing looks for Roman.
Oh, Lukas, thanks for inviting me to your team. I'm gonna gladly accept your invitation. Which brings me directly to the taskboard where you invited me. Taskboard called feature permissions. Let's check what kind of permissions do I have. And I'm an owner. And I see Lukas being also owner. So now we should load directly into the taskboard where we were invited to. And as you can see, I'm on the taskboard called feature permissions. And it's coming from a workflow. So I should be taskboard owner. That means I can see all the memberships and I can change the permissions here. But I can also see the settings and, for example, set the auto assignees. I should not be able to change anything on the workflow level because I'm a guest on the workspace. So as you can see, I cannot use the workflow. I can customize it for myself, but that will not make any changes to underlying workflow. If I customize it, I cannot use it because I'm a guest on the workspace. I would need to ask Lukas for change permissions as a normal new member, so I can actually use the workflow and create a taskboard out of it. Right, but I can come back to our feature permissions and do anything else on the taskboard at any point. And I should be able to set auto assignees. For example, on this work step, I want Lukas to be automatically assigned to tasks. And then when there's a new task, that should be automatically assigned. So that all works. In this given team, I'm a single guest. I cannot even see the other members of the team. However, I can switch to any of my other teams and do all my other work in different roles. So on this team, I'm admin, and I can do way more than as a guest on the previous team. I hope that this showed a little bit of the functionality and how to play with it. We would love to hear from you how it works out on your end. That was amazing, Lukas. If I get it right, I can invite people from outside of my Slack to work with me on tasks inside of Workstreams and still get the updates on all the events inside of Slack.
Yeah, the people that you only invite to Workstreams will get their notifications within Workstreams, but your team can still use Slack as they did before, getting all the information there represented. And when they need to jump into our application, simply clicking the link and they end up there.
Great. I'm really looking forward to see what the audience thinks about it, and if they find it easy to operate all the permission levels, as there are a few.
Yeah, it's a little bit complicated, but I think we have a good detailed explanation on our website. We are trying to link in different places from in our application to that page, so that hopefully no one will be lost on this. And if some questions come up that are not answered on our website,
that's why we are here. Please get in touch. The best way to give us a feedback is writing an email at feedback@Workstreams.ai, or you can send us a message on Twitter. You can also write us a message directly in the application. There are many ways. Please reach out. We would love to hear from you if it works for you or not. But nevertheless, the new year is just behind the corner. We have some ideas in our own drawer, but we would love to hear from you what you would like to see coming, what might be missing, what is irritating you, or what would make your life easier in your daily work. So please do get in touch. It's still good time to actually get things squeezed into the next year's plan, and we would love to hear from you what you are missing. Lukas, what is it you would like to see coming next year?
I think some features that help me organize certain things, giving me an overview obviously we are using our own tool and being part of 50 channels or taskboards becomes complicated with the time. Let's see.
So you are looking for some laser focus magic wand?
Yeah,
I would love to see something like that too. Something which would cut off the distraction and bring me to the point.
Exactly.
What shall I do next?
Yeah.
But we would love to hear from all of you. What is it that you are missing on Workstreams.ai? We would love to wish you a really, really beautiful festive period and a great start to the year of 2023. And we will see you, I believe, in January on the first Tuesday of every month. With that said, have a great time. And Lukas, thanks a lot for your time.
Always happy to come here and give some updates.
On behalf of the whole Workstreams.ai team, I would love to wish you Merry Christmas and the best start to the year 2023. We believe this is going to be a transformative year for all of us out there. After we went through the great resignation and all the COVID waves, I think there is a year of big change coming in. So please do relax over the Christmas period and have a lot of energy and health to start 2023 with fresh energy. Now, on behalf of the sales team, there is a great message to be shared. There is absolutely amazing discount, up to 40% off on the annual plans. Please go and check it out inside of our app. Now, that is only and only because we want to wish you Merry Christmas
and a Happy New Year.
And please do join us in 2023 in January on the first Tuesday of every month for the latest updates from Working Wisely World. Ciao!
Ciao!